him. I found him. I found this name. This name is the person responsible for Windows 7. I'm downloading a video of him talking right now so that I'll have something to, throw spitballs at or whatever. If I want to get angry, here's what he looks like. He has kind of an accent, maybe Indian or somewhere like that, India or Pakistan. And he is the guy, admitted fellow, development lead for Windows 7, okay, for the Windows 7 subsystem that is ruining all of our lives. Try to find his picture by Google search images. You won't see it. I don't see it here. You see it? Because I had to search and then go into one of these boxes and keep clicking around until I found this. And then I looked at the source and I found the link to the MP4 file, which I'm downloading, because you know how things disappear. For instance, my voice. Come on, sound worry. I turned off a bunch of services and stuff. Am I coming through? Not very much. Not at all! Okay, a little bit. It's coming through. Yeah, I had noticed, some more things going wrong in the event logs. Now, I'm not saying that, anyone should do anything. And I see that this is Peer Block. They've gone a little bit nuts. They must be quite angry at the moment. Oh dear, oh dear. You see, because I had to unblock one of these temporarily in order to get this download to start going. It's not like I'm saying that one should do anything nasty or anything. It's just a matter of being aware of who's responsible for what, and that sort of thing. Do I need this? No, I have that one. Delete. Is that how you spell fatwa? I don't know how it exactly is spelling. Just trying to shrink this here. I don't need that. This is a good program, but I've already got the installer. I don't know what that is. Just want to make it so that it doesn't scroll around. This belongs in reference, I guess. There we go. Well, maybe I can find the spelling. Google. Voice. Check the voice. It seems the first time through it lasts quite a bit longer. And then after it's filled up its charge once, it fills up more quickly again unless I reset. Now, yeah, that seems like the right spelling. Define. I know this word from the terrorists use this word all the time. Define, I said. I want a definition. Well, it's not coming up with a did you mean that this or did you mean that. Must be the right word. Right. Yeah. He did it. He caused all this trouble. Right there. Let's have a look at his face again. Just burn. Oh, it's gone. I don't really want to bring it up again. Let's see now. Here it is, I guess. Oh no, it wasn't this page. That's where I found out the name. It must have been here. Yeah, there it is. Oh hey, by the way, something I wanted to show you I forgot last time. He doesn't look like a bad person. What he did. Now watch this. Now I have the ability to have real, you know how this thing comes up all the time? If it works. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. Now it's real full screen. See, I've got the cursor and everything. I can edit things. And it's important to have the cursor because you want to, be able to go back and so on. Impossible under Windows 7. According to Silviu Calinoiu or whatever his name is. I wonder about the debugger. Perfect. Oh, I can do some more. Because I did something with the assembler stuff the other day. I made a program that I wanted to use. I don't need all that stuff. Which strips quotes away from a command line, because that thing has the command line parser, and it's called unquote or something. Unquote.com, yeah. Unquote and oops. This command line is gonna be a problem. See? All quotes gone, and what you could do is just type the result of that into a file and then pull it back out from the file using for, 4/f. See, I could take this and say into tnp / unquoted text and then 4/f delims, no delimiter, oops, in 10 / unquoted text is echo. Alright. Oops. Command line, only 1%. There, see? So in a single variable, I put the command line unquoted, and now I could, if I wanted to, I could actually put quotes around and know with certainty that there are only 2 quotes, and it quotes the entire command line. I couldn't do, that was one of the problems I had recently. Now, how do I get out of this thing? I haven't really done anything to get out. Basically, basically I've got to select the window. Oh, exit AE does that, and then because I've got to kill Explorer. That's the only thing is I didn't like that. Explorer was getting in the way, and I had to move this box off screen, and then give the focus to this box, which isn't visible. And anyway, you're probably not hearing me. Are you hearing me? Hardly. Okay, see you later. swear those people were after me. I took a screenshot. I was trying to take a screenshot of well, I finally got it. One of these Google. The command line here for Chrome, okay, and all of them had the same command line. Now, I don't know what's going on with this thing. It's going to take me hours to figure out what it is. But I tried to take that screenshot, and I went to paste it into the Paint program, and it didn't get it. It only got part of the screen. So I realized that meant that I wasn't. What the person that took that screenshot wasn't me. It wasn't coming from my user. It was coming from some other user, in that little window. So I killed Explorer and then restarted it as me and took the screenshot, and it worked. And suddenly all of the files in this directory just disappeared. And I thought, that's weird. I didn't delete anything. And I went into this box, which I need to run this for, and they were still there. I just want to see if I'm getting picked up at all. Okay, a little bit. I won't be long. And what I did was I went into program files, and I found a whole bunch of junk in there that I know I didn't install. I may have deleted some stuff that I did install by accident, but I deleted a whole bunch of junk, and some of it I copied it to a different location. Some of it I copied the stuff I couldn't see with the command prompt into here. Then I could see them. Then I lost this directory, and then I couldn't copy them back for some strange reason. And this directory I was just looking at also has what the other one had. Users, ranch party, that's the name of the machine. Users, keep. I hate that. Permission, write permission, okay? Just write, no reading. Append data, create files, etc. Now, why would I create a permission like that for myself, right? I wouldn't. That's it's an idiotic thing. That's only if your intention is to plant some stuff on someone's computer for use later. Well, now I got to get rid of that. Now it says it's inheriting that from its parent, but the parent is this directory, and I removed that. It also had it in here, so that's not coming from the parent. It's coming from a messed up DACL, discretionary access control list. What I have to do to fix it is to take ownership again, as usual. I am the owner. I got it. Alright, I gotta stop inheriting. I gotta remove all of them because otherwise I can't get rid of them. I probably have to say okay. Alright, I just add myself. Full. See, it's giving an error because there's a file. That means there's a file still somewhere under there. Permissions, inheritable. Most of them came in. So I'll get rid of that. Now I have to do this. This error, I know what that is. That's because at least one file missed. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. At least one of these is, or maybe all of them, have screwed up security. Yeah, there's that thing. And I can't remove it because it's inherited. Okay. Maybe I can do it in one step. Take ownership. Did I click take ownership? You see how long this takes? Okay, and I think it's probably correct now. Okay, one file is fixed. That took a few minutes. I'm going to have to keep doing that for all these files. And the here and here as well. Oh, that's part of it. I've got other stuff recorded already. I don't even know if I'll be able to upload what I've got. It's like they went nuts when I started downloading that file of the asshole that invented Windows 7. Anyway, see you.